we have some color. What is this? Oops, I applied a lot. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm of January. This one came yesterday in the mail and I'm super excited that I'm gonna post this video in January. I'm also gonna be testing all the products that I have in this box, and I have here the base box. This one is $25 for 5 full-size products. I'm super excited. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified for all of my latest videos, and let's start unboxing. So in this one I also have a card with the products and the prices. That's super useful. I didn't have it in the previous month, but it's okay. The first product that I have here is by the brand Pharmacy, and this one is the Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. Let's see how the bottle looks. Ooh, that's super pretty. Let's see what the card says. This one can gently exfoliate your skin. It can deep clean your pores. It is ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin. I'm very curious about the scent. Oh, it smells like a toner. I will try to use it for a couple of days because I have dry and sensitive skin. I'm testing some other toners as well because I want to do a review about them. And my favorite at the moment is the Glow Tonic by Pixi. That one is really good. After that we have the Apple and Boime Glow Lip Mask. This one is by the brand Seraphine Botanicals. It is cruelty free and vegan. It says here the box is printed with soy ink. Okay, I have never heard of this before. Let's see how the product is. Ooh, super cute. With this protective lip mask you can boost hydration and glow. It is formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically. This can keep your lips chapped free, soothed and plumped all at once. It also contains green apple and pineapple extracts. The last couple of days I'm also using a serum with pineapple extract and it's not working for me, so I'm curious if this one is gonna look nice on my lips. Of course, my lips are different from my face. I'm gonna be using this as well in this video. And after that I have a very exciting product. This one here is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Olive You, it is like I love you forever. That's nice. The packaging is super pretty, and let's see the eyeshadows. Dun dun dun. Super pretty. We have matte and shimmery eyeshadows. The packaging is adorable. We also get a mirror in the palette. I think we have all the colors for beautiful wearable eye looks. And this one here is a new palette. It is a new release by Violet Voss. Oh my god! And let's continue with a product by Pure. Yeah, you know. And this is the 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer, and it says broad spectrum SPF 20. I have it in the shade LG3. The nice thing with Boxycharm is that when they have complexion products, you can actually choose the shade that you want. I chose this, so I'm afraid that it's not gonna match me, but what can we do? Online shopping. So this one is a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer and foundation with SPF 20 that is part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra natural looking complexion. So I'm not gonna use a primer for this one. Okay, yeah, we don't say no to less products. This one is cruelty free, vegan friendly and also gluten free. It also says that you need to reapply at least every 2 hours. So I'm very confused if I can actually use it for a full face makeup look. We're gonna see in a while. And then we have this one here by the brand Queen Studio. I have here the Dragon Duo. It says eyeliner liquid. Oh, and we also have an eye pencil. They look amazing. They have a very nice packaging. It is like 2 dragons together, and we have a felt tip applicator for the eyeliner and also an eye pencil. And on the other side, what's happening? What is this? I have no clue what is the other side. It looks like an eraser. We have some color. What is this? Let me know if you have any additional information about this side of the product. You can use the Dragon Liner for smudge-proof symmetrical wings and the Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. This is created for beginners and loved by pros. Okay, so the Dragon Duo is $28, the lip mask $25, the tinted moisturizer is $35, expensive here. The toner is $28 and also the eyeshadow palette is $34, and we have $150 for this box. Super fantastic. Get the band on. I'm gonna start off with the glow lip mask, and first of all I'm gonna remove the lip gloss that I have on my lips. This is the product that I had. It is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid, and this is in the shade Topaz 9. Actually, you guys recommended this lip gloss to me and I love it. So let's see the lip mask, how it is. Oh, it doesn't open. Okay, we have a protective seal here. I don't want to ruin my nails because I painted them yesterday. Oh, it has a very nice scent. I'm gonna just apply some on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's very liquidy. I thought it was gonna be thicker in consistency because it is a mask. I don't know. Ooh, extra shiny. We like that. The consistency is like an oil but thicker. It smells like an oil. I think it is the rosehip oil. I can also smell the apricot. About the taste, it is like an oil. So I'm gonna let it on my lips and see if we have any changes. So I zoomed you in for the next product, which is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I'm a little bit afraid because it says that it is also a primer, but maybe it can work. Okay, so let's see first of all if this is the correct shade for me. This is very creamy. It reminds me of a moisturizer. Let's see if the color matches. I think the color is okay for me. Maybe a little bit warmer, but I can make it work. I don't see a lot of coverage, so I'm gonna try and use it with a sponge. I'm using the Spectrum Wonder Sponge. Oops, I applied a lot. Yeah, that's too much product, but let's see if it is blendable. It can cover a little bit the redness that I have on my cheeks. I can still see a lot of my veins. This one has a very light coverage, but it is a tinted moisturizer, so it's okay. I will try to apply some on this area here, and I'm just pressing with my fingertip. So I think you can get it to a medium coverage foundation if you apply a little bit more. If you apply this with your fingers, it looks a little bit splotchy, so I'm gonna just blend it out with my sponge. Okay, now it looks more natural. For the other side, I'm gonna try and use it with a brush. This one is by Real Techniques and it is the stippling brush. For this product, it is better to use a buffer brush, not a stippling brush. As you can see, I have a lot of lines from the bristles. I'm also gonna take some with my sponge to make it more natural. And I'm using again a little bit more product on the areas that I have discolorations. I'm using some on my hand. I'm gonna let it here for a while just to see if the product is oxidizing. This one has a very light glow. I think that it is better to use a pore filling primer, especially on the cheeks if you have enlarged pores. I think I should have done that as well because my pores now are very visible. It is sticky. I will definitely set it with powder. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 27B Light Medium Beige. The concealer blended super easily on top of the foundation. And then now, let's do the oxidization test. This is the fresh one. And we can see that it gets at least one shade darker. So keep that in mind when you're trying to find the correct shade for you, especially online. To set my face makeup, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm pressing the product on my skin with a brush by Profusion. I didn't need a lot of powder to set it, and also I like that the foundation didn't crease before I applied powder. And for the eyes, I'm using the Luxe brush 209. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the glow lip mask because I think I have applied some powder. The taste of the mask is not so nice. To contour a little bit my face, I'm gonna use this product by L'Oreal. This one is the Back to Bronze Gentle Matte Bronzing Powder, and I have it in the shade 2 Sunkiss. I'm using an angle face brush by Essence. This is from the collection Tansation. They had very nice brushes in that collection. For the nose, I'm using another Essence brush. This is from the Cherries collection. Wanna be my cherry? I think. I don't remember the name. This bronzer looks super natural on the skin. For blush, I'm gonna use this one by Hourglass, and it is the Ambient Lighting Blush in the shade Luminous Flash. For highlighter, I'm taking this palette by Catrice. This is the Luminize Highlight and Bronze Glow palette. I'm taking the lightest shade with a brush by Sigma. This one is the E40 brush. I'm blending with the previous face brush so I can make all the powders very natural on the skin. And as I can see, the bronzer, the blush and also the highlighter blended very nicely on the foundation. So until now, this is looking nice, and I have done my brows off camera. I'm gonna have in the description box a brow tutorial that I did a couple of months ago, so you can see how I do my brows. And let's continue with this palette here. I love eyeshadow palettes, so having one more is like, can this get any better? I'm gonna start off with this beautiful shade here. It is called Major Spotlight, and with this one I'm going to highlight my brow bone. It is super pretty, and I'm using a brush by Essence. This is an eyeshadow brush. So this one has a very nice sheen. You can also blend it out if you want something more wearable. Now I'm taking this one here. It is called Wink, and with an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm using this in the crease area. This is blending beautifully in the skin. If you have a lighter skin tone, this is a good shade for a crease color. And after that, I'm gonna continue with this one here. It is a little bit darker, and the name of it is Wishful. With this one, I'm going again in the crease area. I'm using the brush 228 by Zoeva. I'm trying to keep the color on the outer part of the eye. You can also build up the intensity of this shade, and also it is very blendable. After that, I'm taking this here. It is called Endless Desire, and with this one I'm gonna deepen out the outer crease. Ooh, that looks super pretty, and it blends very nicely with the other two shades in the crease. So the nice thing with this eyeshadow is that it doesn't look patchy on the skin, and also it is very easy to blend. You don't see any areas without eyeshadow. It's very creamy. I haven't done an olive green eye look in a while now, so I'm gonna take this one here, and it is called Olive Glow. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm pressing this on the outer eyelid. This is looking gorgeous. It's very shiny, and it has a very nice opacity of color. It is what you see here. I love that. After that, I'm taking the shade Olive Me, and I'm pressing this on the center of the eyelid. So with this eyeshadow, I wanted to see how similar it is with the other shade that we have, and it is a little bit lighter. That's nice. This one is also very shiny and very beautiful with a brush. Moving on to this one in the corner, the name of it is Juicy, and I'm going in the inner corner with this one. That looks super pretty as well, and shiny. That's the most important part for me. I think I would like this shade to be a little bit lighter, so most likely I'm gonna use in a while these as well. So here we have another dark eyeshadow. It is called Charmed. A little goes a long way with this eyeshadow, so don't use a lot of it. And I'm using a smudging brush by Essence. This one is from the Disney collection. I'm taking now this one here. It is called Olive You, like the name of the palette. And I'm pressing this on the center of the lower eye. This one is not so noticeable on my eyes. I need to use a couple of layers to make it more noticeable. Maybe that's because I have used it in such a small area. After that, I'm taking this here. It is called Lovebird, and this one goes in the inner part. It looks super pretty. I'm gonna use some on the upper eye as well. This is easily my favorite eyeshadow of the palette. And with a pencil brush by Sigma, I'm taking the same shade and I'm using this to highlight the inner corner. I'm also taking this shade here. Ooh, now it looks super fantastic. Now I'm taking this one here and it is called Infatuated. And with this one, I'm gonna add just a little bit in the outer part of the eye. It looks gorgeous and I didn't use a lot of product. With the same brush, I'm gonna take just a little bit of the black eyeshadow. It is called Infinity. With this one, I want to deepen out the outer eyelid and I'm trying to blend it a little bit in the crease area to uplift my eyes. I think it blends beautifully for a dark black eyeshadow. It looks very soft. I'm also gonna take a little bit with a different brush. This one is the Luxe 121. With this, I'm going in the outer crease. That one blended out super nicely. I have used all of the eyeshadows. I think this palette is great. And I specifically like the black eyeshadow because it looks amazing on the eyes. Now it's time for the Dragon Duo. And I'm going to use the eye pencil in my waterline. It has a very nice dark color and it is very creamy, so let's swatch it because I want to see if it is creamy to blend it out. Yes, so you can use it also as a base for a dark smoky eye look, and after a while it gets drier, so make sure to be fast with your blending. And after that I'm gonna use the eyeliner. I made a boo-boo. No. I will let that dry. I closed my eyes while I was applying the eyeliner. That was super easy. You just go with a Q-tip. I didn't swatch the eyeliner, so I'm very curious to see the finish of it. I think it's not matte. My line here is a little bit shiny. I don't like that with eyeliners because I can't really tell what I'm doing, especially with the lights. Also, most of the times they can intensify texture. So it is completely dry now and it has a shiny finish. The applicator is very bendable and it's very easy to create the wing. I applied this mascara here. It is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara by Charlotte Tilbury in super black. I don't like this so much. I don't think this is worth the money. I don't see volume or length. It gives a very nice definition, but you can have that with a $2 mascara. About the glow lip mask, as you can see, it is less shiny now. I was drinking a lot of water, but okay, my lips are very soft. Also, I don't see my fine lines. The taste of it is a lot better now. It's not like oils. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4.5 stars because I didn't like the eyeliner so much. Also, I have tried to clean the tip of it from any eyeshadows and it is unraveling now. I can see some threads coming out. Also, if you want to make your line a little bit darker, it is budging and it doesn't look so smooth. However, I like the variety of my box and the overall value is great. Oh, now I see that the palette matches my t-shirt. Coincidence or coincidence? Let me know in the comments if you want to see more eye looks with this palette. Do you want something specific? And also let me know your thoughts about this box. Did you get other products in your box? And you can find here more of my videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!